What did Charles Darwin mention about Sydney in his Origin of Species? A question that stirs the curiosity of many history enthusiasts and Darwin followers. The answer lies within the pages of the iconic book itself. In the Origin of Species, Charles Darwin, the father of evolutionary theory, made several intriguing references to Sydney. His observations were not just about the city's flora and fauna, but also about its geological features, which he believed provided crucial evidence for his theory of evolution. Darwin first mentioned Sydney when discussing the geographical distribution of organisms. He used the example of two very distinct types of vegetation in Australia, one type being found in the more temperate regions like Tasmania, while the other type was found in the more tropical regions. Sydney, being situated in the temperate region, was home to a type of vegetation that was markedly different from that found in the tropical areas of Australia. The second mention of Sydney came when Darwin was discussing the concept of geological succession. He noted that certain shells found in the tertiary formations of Australia, particularly around the Sydney area, were closely related to existing species. This observation provided compelling support for his theory that species evolve over time. Darwin's third reference to Sydney was in relation to the geological formation of the area. He believed that the sandstone deposits found around Sydney were the result of slow erosion and deposition processes, further supporting his theory of gradual evolution. In summary, Charles Darwin's mentions of Sydney in his Origin of Species were multifaceted. He highlighted the unique geographical distribution of vegetation, the geological succession of shell species, and the slow formation of sandstone deposits around Sydney. Each of these observations played a crucial role in supporting Darwin's revolutionary theory of evolution. From these key points, it is evident that Sydney offered Darwin more than just a geographical location. It provided him with tangible evidence to build and bolster his groundbreaking theory. Darwin's journey to Australia was not complete without a visit to the Blue Mountains, a landmark which held significant value in his research. This region, characterized by its dramatic landscapes and unique biodiversity, sparked further curiosity in Darwin. He was captivated by the distinct species of plants and animals that were unlike those he had observed in Sydney. This was a city named after him, Darwin, a testament to his profound impact on the scientific world and recognition of his contributions. The significance of this visit was monumental in his research. It provided him with more evidence of varied geographical distribution of organisms, supporting his theory of evolution. This visit to the Blue Mountains, a city named after him, further enriched Darwin's understanding of the natural world and solidified the foundations of his groundbreaking theory. In the light of Darwin's visit to the Blue Mountains, his profound insights, and the city named in his honor, we now turn our attention to the modern-day implications of his work. Darwin's theories, underpinned by his observations in Sydney and the Blue Mountains, have shaped the way we understand and interact with the natural world today. From the establishment of the Royal Botanic Garden, Sydney's premier hub for plant biodiversity, to the conservation efforts in the Blue Mountains, Darwin's influence can be seen throughout the city. His theory of evolution has also guided the city's approach to urban planning and development, with a keen focus on preserving unique ecosystems and promoting biodiversity. Furthermore, his work has inspired generations of scientists in Sydney and globally who continue to study and explore the rich biodiversity of Australia, drawing upon Darwin's principles of geographical distribution and evolution. Indeed, Darwin's legacy lives on in Sydney, not just in the city named after him, but in the very fabric of its natural landscapes, its scientific community, and its commitment to conservation. The city's unique geological formations and biodiversity serve as a constant reminder of Darwin's groundbreaking visit and the important theories it spurred.